yourselves. This is Dave with Bad Elf. We're going to walk you through the unboxing of the Bad Elf Flex. You can see it's going to ship to you in this rugged waterproof case that is shock resistant and will protect your Bad Elf Flex as well as any accessories inside from damage. So to open this up, we're just going to pull down these two tabs and lift up. First thing you're going to find is this bag filled with a bunch of useful information on how to configure your device as well as utilize it. So we have our user manual that provides a bunch of detailed information, but we also have a quick start guide illustrated by our extremely talented artist Matt, and this will walk you through the first initial sets of just steps to get you set up and collecting data as quickly and efficiently as possible. To help you do that as well, we have a couple placards for Point Man and Field Genius with MicroSurvey. These are two great data collection apps to help you create GIS data with your Bad Elf Flex. This will allow you to add attributes as well as visualize your points, lines, and polygons. But your Bad Elf Flex works with any data collection app. It's just that these are two great places to get started. Moving on, we have an accessories case right here. Let's pop this open. It's going to contain a few cables and adapters to let you charge and export data off your Flex. So right here we have a car charger as well as a wall charger, so you can charge your Flex both on the go and back at the office. To do that, you're just going to use this cable right here, simple USB to micro USB adapter. Just plug this into the back of the Flex. We also have a USB on the go adapter, which also plugs into the back of the Flex, where you're going to connect a thumb drive on the other side. And this will allow you to export all data that was stored internally on the Flex to a thumb drive, which can then be plugged into any computer. Finally, we have a 5/8 to 1/4-20 adapter. So if you have a 1/4-20 mount, you go ahead and screw this on and then attach your Flex accordingly. Finally, we have our Bad Elf Flex itself. Check out our other videos on how to configure that, as well as we'll walk through all the features and show you how to collect data with it. Thank you.